Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you are doing well. This is TJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures. Please, if you are new here, consider subscribe, hit the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new content. In today's presentation, we are looking at radical equations that are in simple form. The question before us here is solve the equation y minus 11 root y plus 24 equals to 0. We are asked to solve for y. So let's write down the solution. The solution now. We solve by substitution. We solve by substitution. It means we can say let's say t be equals to root y. So if t is equals to root y, then what will be our y? So to find y here, we square both sides to remove this square root. So y now will be equals to t squared. We square both sides here, we have t squared equals to y. So then y will be equals to t squared. Okay, so anywhere we see y here, we put t squared. So we say put y equals to t squared, okay, into the original equation now. So it means in place of this y, we'll put t squared minus 11 now, but we say any root y is equals to t. Root y is equals to t. So in place of this root y, we'll put t plus 24 equals to 0. This now becomes our new equation. So this now becomes our what? Our new equation. This is our new equation now. And this our new equation, we can solve it by factorization method. Okay? So how do we factorize this? Because this is a quadratic equation. The highest power here is 2. This is a quadratic equation. So we multiply the first term, which is t squared, by the last term. That is plus 24. And that will give us 24t squared. Two factors of 24t squared that can give us minus 11t. Of course, it will be, we can list all the factors of 24. We have 8, 3. We know that 8 plus 3 it will give us 11, but what we have in the middle is minus. So, and the last one, we multiply the first time by the last time, we have positive. So it means the two factors has to be negative. And the two factors now will be, of course, minus 8t and minus 3t. Why? Because minus 8t minus 3t will give us the middle term, which is minus 11t. Then minus 8t times minus 3t will give us plus 24t squared. So the two factors are minus 8t and minus 3t. So we replace the middle term with these two factors now. So this becomes t squared minus 8t minus 3t plus 24 now will be equals to 0. So we can group this like this and factor out. What is common here is t into t minus 8. What is common here, of course, will be minus 3 into t minus 8 will be equals to 0. So you realize that what we have in the bracket are the same, minus 8t minus 8t. So we can pick what we have outside the bracket. This will be t minus 3 in bracket, then t minus 8 in bracket equals to 0. So these two bracket equals to 0 means either of these is equals to 0. So either t minus 3 is equals to 0 or t minus 8 is equals to 0. Okay, so let's move here. T minus 3 will be equals to 0, or let's write either t minus 3 is equal to 0 or t minus 8 is equals to 0. So we can find t. Let's collect like terms. T will be 3 or t will be equals to 8. Okay, but what we are asked to find is we are asked to find the value of y. So we can use this equation here. We can pick this since y is equals to t squared here. Remember, but y is equals to t squared. So when t is equals to 3, what will be the value of our y? Y now will be equals to 3 squared. And 3 squared means 3 times 3, which is 9. So y will be 9. And this is the first value of y. Of course, this is leading to quadratic equation. It means we have two values of y because quadratic equation must have two roots. Okay, this is the first root now. So when uh, t is equals to 8, what will be the value of y? Our y now will be equals to 8 squared. So y will be equals to 64. 8 square means 8 times 8, not 8 times 2. 8 square means 8 times 8 in two places, which is 64, not 8 times 2. This is the common mistake that some students normally make. It's not 8 times 2, but rather 8 times 8, which is 64. So therefore, we can conclude that y is equals to 9 or 64. So this will be the value of y because we are asked to find y. And we can check if we want, yes. By the time we plug the value of y into this left hand side, it must be equals to 0. So let's check here and see whether it is true. So let's check. I try to check now. If we are to check now, we can pick one of the value of y. Let's pick 9 and see. So it will be 9 minus 11 roots 9 now, because anywhere we see y now we put 9 plus 24. Is it equals to 0? Let's see. This will be 9 minus 11 root. Square root of 9 is 3. That will be times 3 plus 24. This will be 9. 11 times 3 is minus 33 plus 24. Okay, let's add. We can say 9 plus 24. That will be 33 minus 33. That's equals to 0. So this is our left hand side. And this is our right hand side here, which is 0. So the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. Meaning truly, one of the value of y is 9. We can as well check for 64 if we want. It will still give us the same thing. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.